of the Delhi Assembly election, a major announcement has been made by the Aam Aadmi Party, and this, of course, is going to rake up the entire debate about freebies. Now, the Aam Aadmi Party government has announced Mukhyamantri Mahila Samman Yojana, under which ₹1,000 will be given to all women in the national capital. Now, what is really the criteria here is that if one woman need to receive this amount, she has to be above the age of 18-year-old. Apart from that, she should not be an employee of the government, and she should not be receiving any sort of pension, and she should not be giving the income tax. Now, if you are applying, you should be under these categories, and then you will be receiving around ₹1,000 per month. And a promise has been made by the Arvind Kejriwal government here is that if they come to power, this Delhi Assembly election, then they will increase this ₹1,000 amount to 2,100. Of course, there is criticism that is coming in from the BJP, from the Congress party, where the BJP has been saying that the Aam Aadmi Party, ever since they have come to power in the national capital, has only been surviving on such freebie schemes. Now, apart from that, another crucial point here is that the finance department has flagged this scheme, saying that this is going to be about 15% of the total budget of the Delhi government. And not just that, they have also in fact went ahead and said that this entire scheme, if given, is going to be about 2,000 crore, and it is going to, of course, impact and disrupt the budget of the Delhi government. So this is a point that has, of course, been picked up by the BJP and the Congress, that saying that the treasury of the state is being emptied by Kejriwal government just because they want to come back to power. And now, of course, we have to see what is going to be the schemes that will be announced by the BJP and the Congress, because just few days left for the crucial Delhi Assembly election, and all the parties are, of course, going to woo their voters in the national capital. And apart from that, we have to see what are going to be the important points that will be included in the manifesto. Already we are seeing that the Aam Aadmi Party has released a list of over 20 seats of candidates for the Delhi Assembly election. The BJP has also in fact released a list of about 8 to 9 of their candidates. The Congress party is having a CEC today to discuss about their candidates for the Delhi Assembly election. So all the three parties have in fact set the ball rolling as far as the Delhi elections are concerned, and all eyes will be on the voters, that who is going to come back to power in the national capital.